AI agents are everywhere right now, but how many people can actually build one from scratch? Most people, they often rely on tools like no code platforms, sort of plug and play stuff. But today we are going to do it differently. I'm here with Pritesh, founder of LangTrain, and he is going to show us how to build an AI agent. Pritesh?
Yeah, sure. So I'll share my screen with you.
Okay, perfect.
So I have already built an AI agent
Yeah,
before.
I can
So,
see your code here.
so this is the whole structure of the
Okay.
AI agent. We
Mhm.
have multiple integration. We have a agentic system which has strategies, which have a research capability. It has perception and knowledge. The goal manager as well. That what you want to achieve in the conversation, and knowledge, which will plug your knowledge into database.
Okay.
So basically, the whole system is this: that whatever the conversation you're having, so it's a WhatsApp agent.
Okay.
Whatever the conversation you are having with the person, it will store everything and it will get the context and save into the database.
Perfect.
So and it will define personas. So this is the AI agentic persona. It has some boundaries as well that should
What do you mean by AI agentic persona? I mean, just to understand it better, what do you mean by
so
that?
so persona is
Like,
something
would
which
it would it get the context, like how these two people
no
usually
the
talk or
way
something?
the way you talk, the way you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
conversation. So some
yeah.
people write in a very small, like, some people use I have done this, and some people
Oh,
use
got it,
I
got it. The way
apostrophe
people type,
yeah,
basically.
write
Yeah,
things.
yeah,
So
yeah.
this is the persona which everybody, like, every people have different kind of persona. AI
Correct, correct,
agents
correct.
also have different kind of personas,
Mm-hmm.
and there are some threshold. It has some skills as well. So you can see there is a skills.md file.
Hmm, hmm,
It
hmm,
has some basic skills. You can mention that it can read the room, it can
hmm,
reference from the past post, it can repeat its it should not repeat itself. It should not
hmm,
type a couple of times the same thing.
hmm,
It can learn emojis, that if you put your emoji, uh, like if you are very angry, then
hmm,
it will showcase that in the previous conversation you are angry with the
hmm.
person. Okay,
Okay,
so it
okay,
understands everything. It has academic context. It has
okay.
so
It'll
see,
understand the tone and the context, basically, how
context,
these two people actually talk.
tonality,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
and everything, like
All right, all right.
an awkward silence it can understand.
Okay, okay.
So between two conversation, it can understand those things as well.
Great, great. All right. So based on that, I mean, if I send you a message right now,
Yeah,
your AI agent will reply me.
definitely.
Oh,
I'll
perfect.
start the session for you.
Okay.
So in this, I'll
Yeah.
give your name over here.
Okay. The contact details. Hmm.
Yeah. So the contact detail, it could be uh, anything. Like it could be your friends, family, and you can add a lot of data on top of it. That
Hmm.
these are my best friends. So it can understand the
Okay.
conversation, and it can categorize your friends as well at some point. Like
Okay.
you can give those kind of thresholds.
Oh, perfect.
So you might be receiving some kind of a WhatsApp message from my AI agent now.
Okay. Let me see.
Uh, So yeah, I could see here that it's reading previous conversations.
Oh, okay. To understand the context.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah,
Great.
and uh, you can drop a message, like directly
Okay.
you can
Let's
drop a
let's do
message.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
I just dropped a hi.
Okay. check if the conversation is it's not idle. LLM chose not to reply, so you can see.
Why?
Yeah, no action. LLM chose not to reply.
It doesn't want to talk to me or what?
You can write something. It's a silence, I guess.
Okay.
You can write something else. Like, since you have written only hi, then it has
It
taken
chose
that.
to ignore, huh?
Yeah, yeah, because the previous conversation was.
Oh, it's typing.
Yeah.
It's great to see you again. How's your weekend going so far?
So you can see I'm not tapping anything. It's my
Yeah.
AI agent talking to you.
Looks like it's typing something.
So see what it does. It reads all the characters which are there. Okay.
Okay.
And it can
I just
simulate.
received a really nice message. And you know what? Okay, wait. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm always ready to chat and help with any topics you would like to discuss. How was your conversation with Sneha? So it remembers that, last
Remembers your
time we
previous.
discussed, last time we had a chat, I mentioned about Sneha.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's really cool. I mean, that was really impressive. Can you Pritesh share this code with like everyone who is listening to us, who is watching us?
Definitely, I'll share. I'll make this open source repository on this, and then
Okay.
people can use this.
That's even better. Perfect. So guys, you will find the link in the description. And if you want more content like this, like real builds, real code, make sure you follow and subscribe us.